How to download in Telegram app. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can download any files or images or videos from Telegram app. Now, the process is quite similar for every file that you want to download. All you need to do is open up the Telegram app. You'll get an interface like this. Now make sure you're logged into your account as you can see. Now open up the chat from which you want to download the file. Now I'll just open up this chat right here. Now you can see here are some sample PDF that I sent. Now the process is similar to download the files that you sent or you received. So I'll just be showing it here. Now here on the MP4 file, here is a video file that you can see. Here is a download button along with the video. Now there is a download button along with the file because I sent this video as a file but not as a video. However, if you have sent it as a video or MP4 and not as a file, what you can do is tap on the three dots along with the video. Just open up the video and tap on the three dots that you can see. You can see one right here on the screen. Simply click on it and click on save to downloads and your video or your MP4 file will be downloaded. Similarly, in case of file, you can see just above this hello message here sample PDF. What you can do is either long tap and hold, and then you can forward it, or at the top you can see the download option, or what you can do is similarly like before, just tap on three dots option and tap on save to downloads. However, remember, you will not get download option in every chat or files. It depends on the group. If the group admin has set the files to be unable to download or screenshot, then you won't be able to download it. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.